What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have this garden hose filter. If you don't know, I have reviewed plenty of sprinklers, and with those sprinklers, it comes with this little filter that before the water goes into that sprinkler, there's like a little filter right there. I did videos on how to change the filter and stuff like that. I'll try to remember to post it, or I'll post the playlist with all the sprinklers. As well as debris, you have algae and everything that builds up into your rain barrels. And if there's any treatment or something that you can put in your rain barrels, y'all can let me know in the comments. That way I can keep my rain barrels clean. You can hook this filter up to your water hose, I believe. We will see about that, but I want to hook it up on my rain barrels so that way I can have less debris going into the filters of my sprinkler. They do give you a washer right here, so you have the female and then you have the male right there. And here goes the filter. You could turn it off or twist it off. They have an O-ring here on the bottom. Very nice. Nice little screen right here. And this is pretty cool. So this will hopefully make my sprinklers more efficient when I'm using my rain barrels. All right. Now, also in the box comes another filter. Now, I'm not sure if you could purchase these like separate or anything, but they do give you another filter and they do give you some more washers along with it. Y'all stay tuned. I will have this nice and ready. We'll have the whole setup ready with the water pump and everything, and we will see how this thing filters out. So we are going to see how much this filter actually catch before it goes into our sprinkler system. And what I'm going to do is take this off. Oh, I didn't shut it off. Take this off. I want to see, can I fit this on here? All right. Once I fit this on here, I can run my hose, and then we can actually see how much this thing filterizes. So this will be kind of fun. I might put the GoPro down here so y'all can see it in action. We do have the pump. We did prime the pump. We have the filter. We opened the water already, so water is already going through there, and you can already see some crumbs. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see some crumbs on there. Now we have our outside outlet right here, the little digital portable outlet. Well, they claim digital, so we have the digital portable outlet right here. Now let's go ahead, turn that bad boy on. And oh, did I turn on? Oh, I still got the valve off. We are going to turn the valve on here. All right, so we have a little bit of water. All right, you guys, so everything is working so far. We actually got a good amount of water coming out. That's actually more water than normal. So that's actually a little bit more water than what it usually is. All right, and I am cutting my grass at the same time, so you can see the line of where I last cut. So I'm always occupied, you guys. I'm actually doing a lot right now. I'm doing 2 reviews, cutting grass, and yeah. Now this is pretty cool because you can see the particles going through the filter. This is awesome, you guys. And my sprinkler is staying efficient, actually better than what it used to be. So this thing, I might actually get another one of these, another one or even bigger one, so I can filter out more. Now what I want to do is hook all of these up on one system, so I'll get into that later. This filter, I have to say, I love this filter, you guys, and I'm planning on buying another one. So the more filters, the better for me. And I have to say, man, this filter is working wonders right now, you guys. I'm so happy I purchased this filter. It's watering the grass real good. I'm getting a lot of coverage with this filter on here, and I'm loving it. Got a butterfly. And I'm gonna move it down because I already watered this. But you guys, I mean, I'm getting good water coverage. Man, this is way more water coverage than what I was getting before, you guys. So I do recommend you getting a filter for y'all rain barrels. I don't know what took me so long, but I'm glad I finally did it. That's the end of the review. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.